Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you will stick around, become part of the family, and hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified of videos that I upload. And to be notified of all of them, don't forget to hit that bell. So, super excited. Today is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. My last one I absolutely loved. They were both great. There were a lot of complaints. There's still a lot of complaints going around about this month. I have seen like the spoilers that are, that people put on the websites or whatever and say that this is going to be in the box, So like the Kylie thing, the Too Faced, which I think is both in this box. So anyway, this is the premium box. It is $35 a month, and it is the second upgrade of Boxy. And this is a Luxe month, which is every 3 months. And that's coming, I believe, in a couple days. So we'll have that box up soon. But a lot of people were complaining. I'm in love with Boxy. I love BoxyCharm. I think that for the amount of money that you pay, you definitely get your deal and worth your money. It's one of my favorite, probably is my favorite subscription box. And this premium kills it, and so does the Boxy Luxe. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Again, thank you guys for being here to watch. So, like I said, it is a $35 a month box, and it always killed it. So let's see. As you see, it says BoxyCharm, and it is the blue background. Hello, Charmers. And there is a little bit of a sneak peek for you. So, we do have a card, and it is the Oasis. See, I didn't see enough spoilers to know that. So, and I am variation 36. So there's what the card looks like. And there are my products. It's all bent up. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that I see on the top is a brush. And that way we can see it. It is from Billion Dollar Brows, right? Yeah, Billion Dollar Brushes, but it is Billion Dollar Brows. It's very soft. I'm not knocking this. So let's see what it says. Where are you? All right, Billion Dollar Brows Sculpting Duo Brush. So it is Billion Dollar Brows. The simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. Contour side is densely packed angled brush applies to target areas, then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. Highlighter side. Tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face, valued at $30. I would never pay $30 for this brush. I'm glad I got it in a box. It is pretty dense. I do like that for contouring. However, I wouldn't use this for highlighting. I would probably use this, I don't know if you can tell, it actually could probably be used for a blending brush. I mean, obviously you can do whatever you want. It's makeup, there's no rules, there's no, whatever. But yeah, or concealer. I could use this as a concealer brush, or I could use it as a, what am I thinking, you guys? What am I thinking? The eyeshadow primer. That's what I'm thinking. So, I love getting brushes because I find it really hard to pay the price for good brushes. So, and this feels nice. I'm excited. I don't mind a double brush. Just means you gotta store it laying down, but I'm okay with that. All right, next item is from Skin & Co. Sardinia Spirit. Probably saying that wrong. I'm pretty sure I am. And Spirit Showered Gel. So, like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinia summer day. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, so I'm sorry. When the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of pressed myrtle flowers and berries that run through the cobblestone streets. Free of phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils, This limited edition shower gel is sure to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer, and it is valued at $22. Again, I'm not paying $22 for a body wash. I'm glad to have it. I'm excited to try it. I actually just finished a body wash now, so I have no backups. I just pulled my backup out. So this definitely came at a great time. Is it sealed? Wow, this was loose and almost could have been everywhere because there's no seal on the top of this, and that would have been really bad, Boxy. Please tape that down. Like, if you get Target boxes, most of the time, well, not most of the time, all the time, if it is a liquid product like that, they will take tape and tape it down, and that secures things from spilling in your box. This barely was on there. To me, you know what it smells like to me? If you guys have ever used the pharmacy Be Clean face cleaner, that's exactly what this smells like. And I'm using that face cleaner right now. So not mad, kind of happy to have it. I needed another backup. I wouldn't pay the price for that, but I'm not mad at it. Next item was something that we were all going to get in the premium box, and I'm so excited to have this product. It is a new brand, I guess, skincare line that I'm trying to like switch over to. I do a lot of Glam Glow, and this is clean at Sephora, so I'm trying to switch over to all this stuff, and I have quite a bit of it now, and it is a glow recipe. And where are you at? First one on there, and it is Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I've tried a sample of this and I do like it. The Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol encapsulated retinol. Okay. The super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use a wash off flash facial or overnight mask for deep recovery. Valued at $49. I didn't know it was that expensive. I'm so happy to have this now, and then to have a full size, because I only have a little baby mini of it. So I am excited to have this, like super excited. All right, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm so happy. And I'm sorry if you can hear background noise. I know we always say I'm sorry, but my son plays the stupid Xbox, and I don't know what it is with kids, but they yell at it like, I have no idea. But I can't, if you hear him, I am sorry. Anyway, nice glass bottle, so pretty. So happy to have this in my collection. This makes my box. I knew I was getting it, but this is like, I'm in love with it. I'm trying to get all the Glow Recipe products. So thank you, Boxy. All right, next item I'm seeing, and oh no, there's one more I was gonna say, because it's kind of cool how it's wrapped. So, oh, and that just popped up. But it's wrapped like that, and all the other stuff was sitting on top, so that's kind of cool. All right, next item is from Kat Von D, and it is a lipstick in the shade Homegirl, which is not a shade that I will probably wear, but nonetheless, it is a KVD Beauty Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. Introducing the new and reborn Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick, the creamiest, most cushiony, yet and unbelievably pigmented lipstick to ever cross your lips. A breakthrough new lipstick combining super creamy color and weightless, comfortable long wear, valued at $20. Again, not a shade I would wear, and I probably wouldn't pay $20 for it. However, I'm not complaining about it because it will most likely go in a giveaway and somebody will enjoy this. I'm going to show you the shade so that you can see. I have a couple of these in the neutral shades, and I love them. Like, they're great lipsticks. But that is dark, and I am not going to wear that. It is like a purple. So I'm gonna put that back so that I don't get it messed up so that it can go in a giveaway. And there's that. All right, moving on. We have 2 more items in the box. We have another KVD product. Okay, so this, I don't think I've ever gotten a product, well, a brand, two of the same brand in a box. Not complaining because I really do love this formula, so I'm excited to have this. Well, actually, I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if this is the one I've had. Where are you? You are right here. KVD Vegan Beauty Ink Well Long Wear Matte Eyeliner. Meet KVD Beauty's most bulletproof matte eyeliner yet. Inkwell's liner super initiative formula sets the bar even higher with extreme long wear and waterproof transfer resistant smudge resistance performance, all in a spectrum of highly pigmented shades for one swipe matte opacity, no layering needed. Valued at $20. Now, it's not the one that I normally get. It is in black. It's in Trooper Black. That's what threw me off, is the Trooper. Because I get Trooper and I get the Tattoo. And they both do work good. So we did receive, I think I got the red, yeah, I got the red one. And I think it was last month, I believe, in BoxyCharm. And it's nice. So I don't usually use Inkwells, but if this formula is anything like the original, well, not, I guess not the original, but anything like the ones I'm used to, I will definitely use it. And it is just a pointed little tip. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, okay. I like that. And it doesn't look like it's going into the lines. So there are a couple different sizes for you. Right, and we are down to the last item, and I knew I was getting this too. So I'm so happy, so excited. And that is the end of the box. It is my favorite brand, Too Faced. So like I said, I knew we were getting this. I'm super excited to have this. And let me read about it. It says, Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you ever experienced. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for diffused, subtle contour, so natural and effortless. I can't read anything ever. All they see is your perfect bone structure, valued at $44. Probably, again, I wouldn't pay $44 for this. I would wait for it to go on sale. I do have their other contour palette, and I love it. I also have some of their contour Christmas things, and they all work really good for me. I just bought the matte milk chocolate one. I bought that. So I love their contours. That is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I love that. And of course it has their little heart. And then when you open it up, please smell good. Yes, it does. It smells so good. You have a nice mirror. And then here are your shades. If I'm blinding you, I'm so sorry. I love that it has this in there because it definitely will help brighten and stuff. Oh, it's a highlight. Okay. Well, to me, when I looked at it here, it looked like it was just like a setting shade. So let's go ahead and swatch these out. That is light highlight, medium highlight, and deep highlight. So there's those 3. And we're gonna go right there, and then right here. So there are the 3 highlights. I don't know how well you can see those, but they are nice. And let's see what the contours look like. So light contour, medium contour, and then deep contour. And I love that it has the 3 different options for women of different colors, because none of us are the same color, obviously. And I think I will be able to use everything except for that very deep shade. However, I will use that as a transition shade or just an eyelid shade, period. So again, I will get complete use out of this palette. I love it. I'm super happy. I loved my box. This is great. I'm excited, you guys. All right, so let's recap. We got our little sleeve thing. Our box for, what month is it? It's June. So recap our box, our premium box for June 2020. We have, and I'm happy, I'm so happy. We have our Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette that smells amazing. We have a KVD black eyeliner, which I normally complain about black eyeliners, but this one is not a regular one, so I'm not complaining. It's not like the stick one. We have a beautiful brush from Billion Dollar Brows. We have the Skin Co., couldn't think of the name, body wash. We have a Glow Recipe product, and then we have the KVD, not cat, KVD lipstick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $35. Amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please let me know down in the comments if you liked the box. Did you think it was a good box? You know, all that good stuff. Do you guys get BoxyCharm? I love talking to you guys. I reply to every comment that I get. There went the inkwell. But please, please, please leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. I think it killed it. I can't wait till Boxy Lux. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that notification bell. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.